Students, now let us continue with third main. Multiply the following fractions. 2 by 5 into 5, 1 by 4. 2 by 5 into, here it is a mixed fraction. We have to convert into a fraction. Now how can we convert? 5 into 4 how much? 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So we get here 21 divided by 4. That is equal to 2 into 21 how much? 42 divided by 5 into 4 how much? 20. So here 42 by 20. Now 42 by 20 will be in second table. 2 tens, 2 twos, 2 ones. Okay, 21 into 2, 42. So now here we got 21 divided by 10. Now this one we can reduce it into lowest form if we want. So now 10 into 2 how much? 20. Then if we add 1 it will become 21. So 1 by 10 is the answer for this. Now remaining one in third main. Now I have told you first one 2 by 5 into 5, 1 by 4. Remaining one you have to do it as a homework. Now let us see fourth main, which is greater. Now suppose now fourth main we are doing. Now we take first one 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now let us consider first one 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. 2 by 7 of means how much? What is the meaning? Into 3 by 4. Now here you see 2 is there, 4 is there. 2 ones, 2 twos, 4. Okay. Now 1 by 7 into 3 by 2. Now suppose here we are taking 1 into 3 how much, students? 3 divided by 7 into 2 how much? 7 twos are 14. Now suppose now we come here 3 by 5 of means what here? Multiplication. 5 by 8. Here you see 5 is here, 5 is here. So it will be cancelled. So now 3 by 1 into 1 by 8. That is equal to 3 into 1 how much? 3. Divided by 1 into 8 how much? 8. Now here you see both numerators are same but denominators are different. Here now if we want to see which is greater, 2 by this is greater or this is greater. Now when the denominators are different we have to take LCM. Now let us take LCM for 14 and 8. Now in 2 table 2 7s 14, 2 4s are 8. Now again 4, 2 2s 4. Now 2 1s 2. Then 7 is there, 7 1 1. So now here we have to take 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 LCM. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 7 8s are 56. So here now here what happens? Now in 14 if you want to get 56, now LCM if we take 56 here, yeah, 56 is the LCM. Now in 14 how many times will it go? 14 into 4 how much? 56. So when we are multiplying the denominator into 4 we have to multiply numerator also with 4. So here 3 4s are how much? 12. 14 into 4 how much? 56. Yeah, 56 and 12. Now here if you want to get 56 here, 8 into how much? 7 8s are 56. So 3 into 7 we have to multiply. So 3 into 7 how much? 21. 8 into 7 56. So now here denominators, both denominators are equal. What is the denominator here? 56. So now here which is greatest? 12 is greater or 21 is greater? 21 is greater. So now 12 by 56 is less than 21 by 56. Yeah. So now what we have to do? 21 by 56 is less than 21 divided by 56. Now what is greater here? So now 21 by 56 means how much is it? 3 by 5 or 5 by 8. So therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. Yeah. Did you understand, students? Okay. Now there is second one in fourth main, which is greater. First one I have already told you. Now second one is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. This one you have to do it as a homework. Now we shall continue with fifth problem. Now here what is the problem here? Siley plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and last sapling. Now here what is happening? Siley is planting 4 saplings in a row. So the distance between 2 adjacent saplings is, how much distance is there? 3 by 4. Now we have to find out the distance between first and last sapling. So now let us do the problem. Yeah. Fifth one. Now Siley planted how many saplings? 4 saplings in a row. Now here, suppose you think here 4 saplings she has done. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what is the meter between this one? So here it will be 3 by 4 meters, 3 by 4 meters, 3 by 4 meters. Here 3 by 4 meters. Now the distance is here 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4. This is first sapling, second sapling, third sapling, fourth sapling. Now we have to find out the distance between the first and the last sapling. So now if we have to distance, the distance between first sapling is equal to first one. 1 into how much distance it is? 3 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Yeah. Now we have to see last sapling. The distance between last sapling is equal to, last sapling is which one? 4. 4 into 3 by 4. 3 fours how much? 12. 12 by 4. Then 4 ones are 4, 3s are 12. So now therefore, now what we have to find out? We have found first and last. Now we have to find between the distance between first and sapling. So the distance between the first and the last sapling. Now first is how much? 3 by 4 into last is how much? 3. That is equal to 9 divided by 4. Yeah. Now what is the distance between first and last sapling? 9 by 4 meters. So 9 by 4 meters is the answer. Okay. Now we shall see fifth problem. Fifth is over now. I have already told you fifth problem. Now sixth one. Let's go to sixth problem. So now here you see we have written here 9 by 4. Now can we convert it into simplest form? Yeah. Yes. 2 into 4 how much? 2 4s are 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So 9 by 4 meters can be written as 2 1 by 4 meters. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Now we have completed 5th main. Now 6th question we shall see. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now here what is this question is telling? Lipika is reading a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. And she is reading the entire book in 6 days. Then how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now suppose, now let's take its solution. Sixth one. Sixth problem. Lipika reads a book for 3 by 4 hours every day. Now we have to find out in 6 days how much she will read. In 6 days how much will she read? Okay. Now let us take every day how much 3 by 4 into how many days? 6 days she will read. That is equal to 4 into 1 how much? 4. 4 plus 3 how much? 7. 7 by 4 into 6. That is equal to 6 sevens are how much? 42. 42 divided by 4. Now here in second table you see 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s. Then here we have got 21 by 2. Now how can we write this one? 10 into 2 how much? 20. Plus 1 how much? 21. So 10 1 by 2 hours. Now how many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So the entire book will be read in 10 1 by 2. So therefore 10 1 by 2 hours are required by her to read the book. So answer is 10 1 by 2. So now we have finished 6 mains in exercise 2.3. 2 are remaining, 7 and 8, that we can continue in next class. Thank you.